Welcome to my channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the healthier food in your diet. A well-rounded healthy diet includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Here are 10 examples. Number 1, berries. Blueberries and strawberries rich in antioxidant and fiber and vitamins contribute to heart health and may have anti-inflammatory effects. The number 2 is spinach and kale, leafy greens, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant. Leafy greens support overall health. The number 3 is fatty fish, salmon and mackerel, excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish support heart health and contribute to improve brain function. Number 4, the healthier food diet. Number 4 is nuts and seeds. Almonds and chia seeds provide healthy fat, proteins, and various nutrients promoting heart health and aid in weight management. Almonds and chia seeds are very beneficial healthy diet. The number 5 is brown rice and quinoa. High in fiber content, vitamins and minerals, whole grain contribute to digestive health and provide sustained energy. The number 6 after quinoa, the number 6 is chicken and turkey, essential for muscle health. Lean protein also provide a sense of fullness and support overall body function. Chicken. Next is yogurt, a rich source of protein, calcium, probiotics. Greek yogurt promote bone health and support gut. Next is cruciferous vegetables. This includes bell peppers, carrots. Different
Next
colored
is
vegetables
legumes.
offer a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, support overall health. Next is legumes, lentils, and chickpeas, high in fiber and plant-based proteins. Legumes contribute to digestive health and can aid in weight management. Watch my channel Passion Food and Health. Thank you very much.